Hello everyone. How are you doing today? I hope you're good. Or you are? Are you all ready for today's lesson? Oh, that sounds great. You are. All right, in today's teaching we're going to be talking about sanitation. Try to tell me what sanitation is all about. Can you try? Or you can? All right, can we hear from you? First of all, we have to look into the introduction to sanitation. Sanitation is the process of keeping places clean and healthy. Sanitation refers to the safe collection, transportation, treatment, and disposal of human waste. In developing countries, improvements in practices of disposing of human excreta are crucial to raising levels of public health. Sanitation refers more to the provision of conditions and facilities to maintain cleanliness and promote health. It involves practices that prevent the spread of diseases by ensuring safe disposal of waste, access to clean water, proper hygiene, and a clean environment. Effective sanitation is essential for public health and the well-being of community. Here is simply telling us that sanitation is very crucial, very essential, very important to the community. When we carry out sanitation, everywhere will be clean. Market square, churches, hospitals, home, surroundings, schools will be clean. And when we keep our environment clean, it stops us from contacting diseases, germs, anything that will be harmful to the health. That is what sanitation is all about. Cleanliness of environment, total cleanliness of environment, proper disposal of refuse to make the environment clean. That is the whole meaning of sanitation. Types of sanitation. There are major types of sanitation guiding the society. 1. Water sanitation involves ensuring the availability of clean and safe water for consumption and hygiene purposes. 2. Waste management focuses on the proper disposal and treatment of solid and liquid waste to prevent environmental pollution and health risk. 3. Hygiene promotion. It encourages personal and community hygiene practices to prevent the spread of diseases, including hand washing and proper sanitation facilities. 4. Food sanitation ensures the safety of food through proper handling, storage, and preparation to prevent contamination and foodborne illnesses. 5. Environmental sanitation addresses broader aspects of the environment, including air quality, pest control, and overall cleanliness to promote a healthy living environment. 6. Sanitation infrastructure. It involves the development and maintenance of facilities such as toilet, sewage system, and drainage to manage human waste and prevent the spread of waterborne diseases. Each type plays a crucial role in maintaining public health and preventing the spread of infections and diseases. Are you ready to play? Here is simply talking about the measures that were created to tackle and to maintain the sanitation to keep our environment healthy. For example, here are people performing the duty of keeping the environment clean. to prevent and keep the indigents away from contracting diseases and to have a healthy life. Let's talk about clean environment. Clean environment is one that is void of any form of pollution and its effects. Hence, it could be an environment that has a clean air, clean water, and clean energy. Basically, it is a held and safe environment. Very commonly, and clean environment is also considered as one that is tidy. When the environment is tidy, clean, protected. Furthermore, it can be referred to an environment that is free from litter, pollution, and hazard, which involves proper waste disposal, regular cleaning, and maintaining a neat and organized space. A clean surrounding not only enhances the aesthetics but also contributes to public health by reducing the risk of disease transmission and promoting overall well-being. Community efforts and individuals' responsibilities play key roles in achieving and maintaining a clean environment. Let's talk about germ awareness. The things we need to know about germ awareness, how it damages the system of the body. But before that, we have to define what germ awareness is all about. Germ awareness involves understanding and recognizing the presence of those microorganisms that can cause diseases in the body. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining good hygiene practices to prevent the spread of germs. Here is talking about letting us know or to be aware of the germs that cause the damages in the body system, the whole of the body system of human. Then there are key aspects includes making use of sanitizer and germs control. 1. Hand hygiene. Regular hand washing with soap and water to eliminate germs on hands. Very, very important. Mark it down. Never forget to wash your hands. 2. Respiratory hygiene. Covering mouth and nose while coughing or sneezing to prevent airborne germ transmission. If you've got cough, you're yawning, you cover your respiratories to avoid infecting or transmitting to another person. 3. Surface cleaning. Disinfecting frequently. Touch surfaces to minimize germ transfer. 4. Personal hygiene. Maintaining cleanliness of the body, clothes, and personal belongings to reduce germ exposure. After wearing your clothes, make sure you wash them. You come back from work, sweating, make sure you wash off to reduce germs exposure. Because you can contact from outside and you take you back home. Thereby, without washing them out, you're going to infect everybody at home. Very simple. 5. Food safety. Handling, cooking, and storing food properly to prevent foodborne illness caused by germs. Before preparing meal, make sure you wash your hand thoroughly. After preparing meal, make sure you wash your hand thoroughly as well. After cooking, clean up the decks, clean the stove, keep everywhere neat. During storing the food, make sure you store food in the refrigerator. Do not leave it on the decks because it will easily attract germs. Okay? I hope you're with me. Awareness of germs is crucial for promoting health and preventing the spread of infections within communities and individual households. Being aware of germs prevent us from suffering diseases, germs, killing the body system because of what? We have been aware of it. So by being aware of it, we can actually prevent before it gets hot. This is what the awareness of germs is talking about. Food and personal hygiene. Food hygiene refers to the practices and conditions that ensure the safety and cleanliness of food, preventing contamination and promoting good health. While personal hygiene, on the other hand, involves habits and practices that maintain cleanliness and health for an individual, including activities like hand washing, dental care, and overall cleanliness of the body. Both of them are crucial for overall well-being of human. So take note. Let's talk about the components involved in food hygiene. 1. Safe handling. Wash hands before handling food and ensure kitchen surface and utensils are clean. Just like what I explained previously, make sure that all the kitchen utensils are clean and well kept. 2. Proper cooking. Cook food truly to kill harmful bacteria and pathogens. For example, you go to the market, you cut meat, you come back, you cook it half done. It's not properly done. It can be harmful to the body. So here is talking about preparing the meal to be done to make sure that all the living organisms in the food are being cooked properly to avoid harming the body system. 3. Safe storage. Refrigerate perishable items promptly and store raw and cooked food separately to prevent cross-contamination. Here is simply talking about store separately. Do not mix them. Make sure you store them in a plate separately. Store the rice separately, the swallow, the stew. Do not mix them up because if you do, it's going to be harmful to the body. So you better stop them and store them in the refrigerator separately. This is the end of our lesson today. I believe you must have learned a lot about hygiene, alright, and the germ awareness. So this is your assignment. I hope and I believe you're going to write it and make me proud. If you have any other question, do not fail to ask me in our next class. So take good care of yourself. See you in the next class.